Hi, it's Lindsay from Buy, Sell, Love Durham. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my Tuesday morning market update. It's my opportunity every week to share with Oshawa, Whitby and Clarington what's happening with real estate. Now, I'm standing in front of this amazing mural on the corner of Simcoe and King Street. And there's some renovation going on here. Up the street, there's a farmer's market. It's really awesome. There's a lot of development happening right now, which is really good because we're in a pandemic. One thing that we do need, though, is we need to remember that there are people that are less fortunate. The Simcoe Hall Settlement House is having another food drive. It's called For the Love of Food, and it's happening at the Oshawa Shopping Center. Fran from Frantastic, who's got one of the best food trucks locally in Durham region, is going to be there. And they really need peanut butter, tuna, they need canned stew, pasta sauce, they need toothbrushes, things like that. So if you get an opportunity, it's this Saturday, August 22nd from 12 to 3. They'll be collecting food donations. Straight into the numbers. Let's talk a little bit about kind of what's happening out there, because I had somebody come to me recently and say that Oshawa is totally unaffordable, which is kind of not true right now. Because when I did a little check on condominiums and see what's available for condominiums, there are, if you look at condos, so condos are broken into apartment style condos and condo townhouses. If you look at what's been sold recently for condo apartments, and you remove the highs and the lows out, because there was one that, actually I personally sold one for over $1 million in Oshawa. And if you remove the low end stuff, which tends to be student rentals, there were 12 properties that sold in the last 30 days. The average selling price of an apartment style condo of that group was $336,000, very affordable. For condo townhouses, there was 22 that have sold in the last 30 days. They've ranged in price from $319,000 to $535,000. Now, the ones that are above $500,000 tend to be in the north end of Oshawa, and the average for a condo townhouse is $439,000. So these are very, very affordable. It still is, it doesn't matter whether you're buying a condo or whether you're buying a detached home or a semi, it's still tough to buy houses out there. Someone jokingly said to me the other day, how tough is it to buy a house in Oshawa, Whitby and Clarington? And I said, do you remember what it was like to buy toilet paper back in March? It's exactly the same thing. So let's just jump straight into the numbers. Last 7 days, we've had 255 homes come to market. That's down 11 from the week before, which is not good because we really, really need inventory. Conditionally sold, we've had 99 homes leave the market sold conditionally. We've had 213 houses leave the market sold firm. So in total, we've had 312 houses leave the market sold conditionally and firm, which is down 5 from the week before. So really what we are is, again, we're in an inventory shy market. We just had one of our buyers bought a house last night. They were in competition with 12 other buyers trying to buy the same property. This can all be easily fixed if sellers decided to put their houses on the market and we get the inventory levels back up. If you've got any questions about how these numbers may impact the sale of your property, or if you're a buyer trying to figure out how to navigate the process, I'd love to start the conversation with you. I can be reached at 905 area code 743-5555, or you can catch me at the email address at the bottom of the screen. Have a great week, Oshawa, Whitby and Clarington, and I'll see you on Saturday, the 22nd of August, between 1 and 3 at the Oshawa Center, right by where the old Sears building was. Just look for Frantastic's food truck and you'll know you're in the right spot for a food delivery. Have a great week.